Hey, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and today I want to show you another traditional tune, Swing Low Sweet Chariot. Let's just take a quick look at what we have here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Basic chords. The most common strumming pattern ever. We're playing it with a swing feel. You know, there's not a lot to it, but we do have to divide the chords over the strumming pattern and a few little things like that. If you want the sheet music for this, it's available on my website, completely free. There's a link down below, and in the corner, you'll see this lesson at the top of the page with all the information, the chords, strumming pattern, the chords and lyrics, all that stuff down below. So I recommend visiting there so that you can actually work the tune out and get it all together. Otherwise, let's just jump in. This song's in the key of C, so we're starting on a C chord. And from there, we're switching to F. And instead of going into the F bar chord, which you could do, there's an easy version of F where we leave down our ring finger and our index finger. We move our middle towards the G string, still on the 2nd fret, then our pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. So from thickest to thinnest, I'm muting the thickest string with my thumb or with the underside of my ring finger. 3, 3, 2, 1, and then I'm muting the thinnest string just with the underside of my index. And you can just work that out, going back and forth between C and this easy version of F. If you need more help with chord switching, I have a crash course. It's completely free, no strings attached. You don't need to enter your credit card or anything like that. And it's a course on my website where you'll learn all the fundamentals. You'll learn 2 songs. You know, it's everything you need to get started, right? In like a really fun way, and make it so you can play through your first full song. You'll have all the warm-ups, posture, tuning, all that stuff. You can sign up on my site. That'll really help you out with this kind of stuff if you're not ready for it. Otherwise, moving on. Next, we're going to go from C to A minor. And for that, we just have to move one finger. We move our ring finger under our middle finger. But it's not so simple. We still have to adjust our thumb, our elbow, you know, make sure that the A minor chord feels good as we go between those chords. And then from A minor, we're going to go to G. And I like to play G this way in this context because the switch when we go back to C is so seamless. So I have my A minor chord, and then I'm just moving my ring finger to the thickest string at the 3rd fret and my pinky to the 3rd fret of the thinnest string. And that's all you need for this version of G. And my index and middle are ready to pop back into a C chord. Now that we have the chords down, let's take a look at the chord order. You'll see this is a really short song. It's just 8 measures. I recommend playing downstrokes and counting through it just so you can get the splits correct. Like F and C split a measure. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So before we add any strumming, I want you to be able to do that. Like I said, I have this on my website for free. You can just visit that and you can see this all laid out before you and count along at your own pace. And once you're ready, we can add the strumming pattern to it. The strumming pattern goes like this. That's the most common strumming pattern ever. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. To get it together, I want to break it into 2 halves. First, we have down on 1 and then down, up on 2 and we're going to count 3, 4 out loud like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Down, down, up, 3, 4. I'm still moving my arm during 3, 4. You know, I'm still keeping some rhythm going with my body. 3, 4. And then the second half, we count 1, 2, and then we miss the strings on a downstroke and go up, down, up. 1, 2, miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, miss, up, down, up. And we do that over and over again, counting, saying, playing the exact same thing that I am playing right now. And when you're ready, we can put that strumming pattern together, going down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Downstrokes on the numbers, upstrokes on the ands. That's our strumming pattern. But we still have to add the right feeling to it. Instead of playing it like, we want to go, with that swing feeling. And when you do a swing feeling, basically the downstrokes feel longer. So instead of being completely even, it's down, up, down, up, down. And it's that like bluesy, folky feeling, right? And you just add that down, down, miss, up, down. And that gives you the correct feel for this tune. And before we add this to the chord shapes, remember how we split certain measures? Like the second measure, we went 1, 2, 3, 4. We played F on beats 1 and 2 and C on beats 3 and 4. Well, whenever we have one of those split measures, we're just going to play the first half of our strumming pattern, down, down, up, on both of those chords. So the second measure would go down, down, up, down, down, up. So you might want to work that out over each of the split measures. The second measure between F and C, like we just demonstrated. The third measure between C and A minor. Just going down, down, up on both chords. And then later on in the song, C, G. Otherwise, when we take a look at our chord chart, we're going to play our strumming pattern one time per chord symbol, aside from those measures. So let's just give it a try. I'm going to get my metronome. We're at 92 beats per minute. If you want to sing this, the very first word happens before we start strumming. So the word swing happens on beat 4. So we would count in 1, 2, 3. Swing low. We don't count 4. Instead of saying 4, we say the word to the song. 1, 2, 3. Swing low. And we go into the song like that. Eventually you do it in your head. Like swing low. So that's just a note if you want to sing and play it. Otherwise, let's just give this a try. 1, 2, 3. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Don't forget, I have that chord chart for this song free on my website. I also have that crash course designed to get you started on the right foot. And I have a premium course, Learn Guitar Once and For All, that's designed to take you from absolute beginner to confident strummer, learning all the fundamental skills, everything that you need to succeed on guitar. And it also comes with access to the Good Guitarist community, which is a place where it's on my website. It's like a private little area where you can get direct access to me and all the other people taking my courses. And, people show their progress and make videos of themselves playing. There's monthly challenges. There's a lot of cool stuff to keep you motivated, to keep you accountable, and to make sure that you actually do it, that you actually learn guitar. And that comes with access to the course, which will teach you a ton of your favorite songs and all the skills that you need, right? So please check that out if you are interested in kind of fast tracking your guitar journey. Otherwise, if you enjoy learning guitar with me, I'd appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or even if you just want to say hi. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.